7 things I do before 7 a.m. as an Ayurvedic expert to keep myself energetic and focused. I hear a lot of my patients complain that I wake up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep. I need tea or coffee first thing in the morning to start my day. If you also experience this, then you are not alone and it's not your fault. In this video, I'm going to share a simple yet powerful Ayurvedic morning routine or dinacharya that can completely transform your energy, focus, and productivity throughout the day. Hi, I'm Dr. Kavisha, Ayurvedic doctor and the founder of Salva Health Stays. I've seen how the way we start our morning sets the tone for the entire day. In Ayurveda, the morning hours, especially between 4:30 and 6:30 am, are known as the Brahma Muhurat, a time of clarity, lightness, and creativity. When you wake up during this window, your mind is calm, your body is rested, and your energy is naturally high. So let's walk through the key steps of an Ayurvedic morning routine and understand why each of them works. Step 1. Wake up with awareness. Before you even open your eyes fully, take a moment to feel your breath, offer gratitude to your body and to life itself. This small pause grounds your mind before the flood of thoughts begin. Ayurveda calls this the practice of Sankalp, starting the day with intention. Step 2. Cleanse. Next, clean your tongue using a copper scraper. It removes ama or toxins that accumulate overnight. You'll notice fresher breath, clear taste, and even improved digestion. Step 3. Refresh. Then, take a tablespoon of sesame or virgin coconut oil in your mouth and gently swish it for 10 to 15 minutes. This is Gandusha or oil pulling. It strengthens the gums, removes toxins, and activates metabolism. Step 4. Hydrate warmly. Drink a glass of warm water, maybe infused with a slice of lemon or a pinch of cumin seeds. This simple act awakens the digestion, flushes out waste, and rehydrates your tissues. Step 5. Move your body gently. Now, movement, ideally yoga or light stretching. In Ayurveda, movement is not about intensity, it's about the flow. When we move mindfully, we ignite Agni, our digestive fire, and circulate prana, the life energy that fuels both focus and vitality. Step 6. Calm the mind with meditation or pranayam. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing or meditation can change your whole day. Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing balances the two hemispheres of the brain, improving clarity, emotional balance, and focus. Step 7. Nourish with purpose. Finally, have a light, warm, nourishing breakfast. Think spiced porridge, herbal teas, or fruit depending on your body type. Avoid heavy, cold foods in the morning that dull the Agni, leaving you sluggish throughout the day. Now you might be wondering, do these small rituals really make such a big difference? Let's look at what actually happens inside your body when you follow this routine. When you align your routine with your body's natural rhythm, that is your circadian clock, your hormones, digestion, mental state all begin to sync up. Cortisol, your body's natural wake-up hormone, rises at dawn. By supporting this rhythm through mindful waking, gentle cleansing, movement, and calm breathing, you help your energy stay stable throughout the day. No crashes, no midday fog. People who follow this Ayurvedic routine consistently have experienced sharper focus, improved digestion, better mood, and sustained energy without relying on caffeine or stimulants. And when you do this daily, your mornings stop being a rush and start feeling like a ritual. So tomorrow morning, try this Ayurvedic dinacharya. Even if you start with just 1 or 2 steps like scraping your tongue or drinking warm water, you will see the difference in a few days. If you want me to make a video on Ayurvedic bedtime routine for a sound sleep next, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to go deeper into Ayurveda and truly reset your mind and body, I invite you to explore our programs at Salva Health Stays, where we bring ancient Ayurvedic wisdom into modern life through authentic therapies and guided retreats.